Combining two Visa gift cards is a convenient way to consolidate your funds and make purchases more efficiently. To start, you will need two Visa gift cards with remaining balances. First, check the balance of each gift card by visiting the website or calling the phone number provided on the back of the card. Make sure to have the card number and security code ready. Next, you can combine the two Visa gift cards by using a service like Raise or Cardpool, which allow you to sell or trade in your gift cards for a single card with the combined balance. Alternatively, you can also use the funds from one gift card to purchase a new gift card, and then use the second gift card to add funds to the new card. Another option is to use the gift cards to make a purchase and request the remaining balance to be issued on a new gift card. For example, if you have two gift cards with $20 each, you can make a $30 purchase and request the remaining $10 to be issued on a new gift card. It is essential to note that not all merchants or services allow you to combine Visa gift cards, so it is crucial to check the terms and conditions before attempting to do so. Additionally, some services may charge a fee for combining gift cards, so be sure to review the fees before proceeding. To avoid any potential issues, make sure to keep track of the gift card balances and transaction history. It is also a good idea to register your gift cards to protect your funds in case the card is lost or stolen. In conclusion, combining two Visa gift cards can be a convenient way to consolidate your funds, but it is crucial to follow the correct steps and be aware of any potential fees or limitations. By following these steps and being mindful of the terms and conditions, you can efficiently combine your Visa gift cards and make the most of your funds.